Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by pausing the game and opening the Mission tab. This is where you control mission flow. Once the mission only way is visible, highlight it so the game registers your choice. Make sure you have any required checkpoints or saves noted, then select Restart or Abort Mission to trigger the reset. You do this because the engine needs an explicit command to reinitialize mission state. Doing it now prevents file conflicts later. After selecting Restart, you will get a confirmation prompt. You must accept it to proceed. Once confirmed, take a moment to reassign weapons, gadgets, and AI companion tactics so your next attempt matches your strategy. If you need different challenge parameters, adjust difficulty or side objectives now, because these settings determine enemy behavior and mission pacing. This ensures your restart is not just a retry but a deliberate, optimized run toward success. When you resume, verify that mission objectives and enemy positions have reset correctly. This confirms a clean restart. Make a quick save or reach the next checkpoint as soon as practical to protect progress. If you encounter bugs, objectives not resetting, stuck NPCs, or crashes, exit to desktop, reload the game, and clear temporary cache or verify files through your platform. This often fixes corrupted mission states and prevents repeat failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.